What's up guys, it's Nelly Natural and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect whipped shea butter for your natural hair. This shea butter nourishes your hair from the inside out and it also provides tons of slip and moisture to your curls. So if you're interested in knowing exactly how to make the whipped shea butter, then stay tuned and watch the rest of this video.
To start this recipe off, you're going to want to add 2/4 cups of flax seeds into a pot. And we're going to start off this recipe by making our flaxseed gel. The flaxseed gel adds tons of slip to your curls. It also helps to detangle and add shine to your hair. Then add about 2 to 3 cups of water to that 2/4 cups of flax seeds. Then you want to set the stove to medium heat, and as the water begins to heat up, you want to stir the flax seeds. It should begin to form a white foam on top of the flax seeds. So once that white foam begins to form a lot, your flaxseed gel is done, and then you can just go ahead and transfer it using a strainer into another bowl. You want to make sure to transfer it while it's still hot so that way the flaxseed gel could easily pass through the strainer. And as the flaxseed gel begins to cool down, it'll become a thick gelatinous mixture and more jelly-like. Here's the finished result of the flaxseed gel. Now for this shea butter mixture, it's time to melt your butters. So first you're going to want to melt about 2 tablespoons of shea butter and a tablespoon of mango butter using a double boiler method. So I'm just heating some water in a saucepan, adding a glass bowl to it, and then adding in my mango and my shea butter. Then I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and about a tablespoon of emulsifying wax. So this emulsifying wax will help combine the water and oil-like ingredients. So as everything begins heating up, you want to continuously stir the butters and the emulsifying wax until it fully melts. And it should begin to fully melt and look like this. So here's what it's looking like as it's fully melted. The butters, the emulsifying wax, and everything is melted in there. So once everything is melted, you want to add about 2/4 cups of the flaxseed gel into that mixture. Then once you add the flaxseed gel, you want to go ahead and whisk it until it's all thoroughly combined. I'm whisking it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you want to turn off the heat and leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. It should form into this thick, firm texture. Then go ahead and whisk it so it could become very fluffy. So I'm continuously whisking it until it's a nice fluffy texture similar to this, and I can already tell this is going to be amazing in my curls. So once I'm done whisking it, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a jar. So I'm transferring it slowly and carefully to make sure that none of it is spilling on the outside. And you can either keep this in the fridge for about a week, or you could freeze it for most likely about a month before you have to throw it away. Unless, of course, you do use a preservative, which you can look more into online to see which preservative would fit best for you. Here's what it's looking like as it's all in the jar. It's a super fluffy, creamy consistency, and it's absolutely perfect for natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying this into my curls, and I'm just going to rake it in, and I decided that later on, as I was applying this, I wanted to section my hair. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair into smaller sections, and I just started applying it from the bottom up all the way through the top to each section. And I noticed that as I was applying this, it really helped me to detangle my curls. It actually moisturized my hair a lot, and my curls looked absolutely amazing when I had this in. It felt great too. So as I'm applying it to these small sections, I'm making sure to rake it in, and then I'm smoothing it throughout each section. Then I'm just taking another small section and working with that as I go. So here's the rest of the application process of me applying this. Okay, so here's what my hair is looking like with it all applied, and my hair is all detangled and looking super moisturized, as you can see here. So now I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, and I'm going to come back with my finished results. Alright, so here is my hair about 75% dry, and I'm absolutely loving how moisturized my curls look.
Alright guys, so here are my finished about 75% dry hair results. And of course this is day 1 hair, so it'll only get bigger as the week goes on. But let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below, and let me know if you guys will be trying this recipe. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, because I do have many more to come. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great week.